dear, finally I get a chance to check what's going on YouTube. Hey, what? Hello and welcome! How was that for an incredibly bad intro? Must have been, what, 20, 30 continuity errors in that, I think. Very slapdash put together and yeah, about the same quality as the last big milestone video was. But we've made it! The next big milestone, 2,000 subscribers, or just a little bit over that now. And a lot quicker than the last time as well. It only took 2 years to do 1 to 2,000, unlike 0 to 1,000, which took about 5 years. Yeah, really, I should probably be doing a bit better than this by now. But yeah, when you don't upload consistently or work for one company, as I don't, it kind of messes everything up a bit. Yeah, I'm getting the feel for settling down, as it were, and getting a proper job. I've got my eye on a few at some point, somewhen. I won't be here forever, another year or two maybe, and then we'll see how things go. If you do happen to be one of the new 1,000 people since I done my last milestone video, then thank you, welcome here. Hope you hang around long enough to actually see some videos be put up at some point, somewhen. They will happen. A few of you have been asking, leaving comments, when is the video coming up? Well, I'm nearing the end of my season. I'm on a shuttle run at the moment in Norway. I've got one more trip after this, nice little short 18-day one. Then come the end of September, I will be done for the year. I have been talked around into doing winter, so I'll probably be doing that. Although, as I've already said, I'm only going to be here another year or two, so I might as well get the most of it, rather than just doing the summers all the time. If you can sit tight for that a little bit longer, then there will be a few more coach driving videos coming up. I've got a few bits and bobs here and there to keep me busy. If you're here for truck driving videos, they're going to be a bit on the thin side, because I'm only going to be working for about a month until the winter time starts, and then I'll be on the coaches again, and then my other plans, basically holidays, because I haven't had one for 2 years. I've been giving all these lovely people that I've been meeting, mostly from Australia and New Zealand, holidays. So I thought it was about time I had my own. Which means the plan is thus: finish the coach driving end of September, have a mini holiday, do a bit of truck driving, winter seasonal kick off, then go on holiday again for about 3 months, and then by the time I've done that, it will be summertime for coaches once again. So really not going to be much in the way of trucks, but that's not really a bad thing, because I've pretty much done every job now, and done everything, or all the good and interesting stuff anyway. In short, thank you if you're one of the new subscribers, getting us all the way up to 2,000. We're making a move there, we're getting there little by little. And if you're wanting truck stuff, not so much, mostly coach driving stuff in the next year or so probably. As for videos, they will be coming in about a month's time, maybe a little bit over that. I should get some more free time after this, so all should be good in that department. As a little bonus, because last trip I actually went to sailing in Greece, and they've changed it from last year. It's in a new place with a bigger boat. Fancier. It's all much better than it was last year. And now I have a drone as well, so I sent that up, flew it around a little bit here and there, and edited it together in a nice little 1-minute taster snippet. So as a little bonus to end this video, here is Greek sailing.